Today, let's take a walk through the little Colombian town, Finlandia. So this little town is known for its colors. It's supposedly one of the most beautiful towns in the province. Lo más hermoso de todo Quindío, dijiste.
Es famoso.
Yeah, we're in the the coffee region of Colombia. So the movie Encanto, Cocoa Valley is super famous here. We saw that yesterday. And now we're exploring the little towns nearby. And like every little town in Latin America, there's a park in the middle. And this one has the same name as many others. Bolivar, Parque Bolivar. There's all throughout Colombia and Peru, I've seen statues, parks, everything named after Simon Bolivar. A horse. ¿De quién es?
Mío.
Whose horse is this? It's yours. Let's go. And no small town park is complete without an old church. Let's go take a look. Got a little market down here. What are they selling? Oh, we bought this. We bought this coconut. It's the best thing you could ever imagine in your life. It's a dried coconut with a lemon, sweet lemon powder on it. It's incredibly good. It's incredibly good. Huh, kombucha. Yo quiero probar después. All sorts of little artisanal crafts and things here. And it's a Sunday, so the town square is full of energy, full of life today. Caminamos en el parque. Yo quiero irme por el parque. Yeah, it's all Colombians here. Where we were yesterday, Salento, it's a little bit more international. I think it draws a more international crowd because of Cocora, which is super famous. But I feel like this is lesser known. But she was telling me that the Colombian tours all come here, so it's well frequented by locals, and that's my type of place. Donde te ves, la buena energía, nos vamos. Let your senses guide you. Oh, look at this tree up here on the right. I love it. Don't know if the camera's gonna show it well, but super unique. Oh, wow. All the colors of the Jeeps. Me gusta todos los colores.
Cada color. ¿Cómo te ha parecido conocer Colombia? ¿Tú? ¿Cómo te ha parecido?
I love it.
Quindío.
I love it. The big cities in Colombia are amazing. Medellin is one of my favorite cities in the whole world. But exploring the small towns, you get to learn more of the charm of a place. What are the people like? Although that is one of the things I like about Medellin, is a big city. I think the greater the metropolitan area has more than 4.5 million or so, if I'm not mistaken, but it still feels like a small town. The people are so kind. They all say hi in the elevators. They say hi on the street when you pass by. It's a very polite culture. For the most part, yeah, classy people, well dressed, super friendly, religious, family oriented. This is perfect for the kids. You can pay to go for a little ride, you can pay to take a photo. Y usted los little señores, señoritos. The colored buildings, just like the Jeeps, all different colors.
No, y usted imagina que nos quede 5 mil pesitos, lo miramos 15, entonces que ya uno no iba a tener nada. A mí eso que no tienen día 25 libres son precios. Ustedes sí me entienden, la verdad.
It's my favorite.
Ah, the colors. Oh yeah.
Pink and blue. Beautiful.
It's a nice combo. Buen combi.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bienvenido. Un café al restaurante.
Gracias. ¿Vas a ir a mirar?
So this is the province we're in, Quindío. Famous for There's all the fincas. This is where they grow and harvest coffee. So an interesting thing in Colombia is that the best coffee is all exported. So Colombia is super famous for coffee, but to find the best coffee in Colombia is actually difficult. It's easier said than done. I love it. An old bookstore and record store. Oh wow. Vamos a volver. Yo quiero.
Usted tiene las reliquias aquí.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ah, Canadá.
Canadá, qué bien. ¿Y tú también? ¿Vives allá?
Colombia.
Colombia, qué bueno.
Tienen las reliquias aquí.
Sí, son,
Qué
son
buena
40,
tienda.
40 años que llevo como anticuario.
Wow.
Y el teléfono suyo. ¿Sí? Aún funciona. Wow. Oh, hello.
Wow.
Muchas gracias.
All the funny expressions from here in Colombia. You probably don't want to repeat some of those.
Hágale pues, mi hijo.
¿Qué? Yo quiero comprar este. Hágale, parcero, que chimba.
Muy típico aquí.
Yeah, the words you learn when you're here. see what's down here. Huh.
¿Cómo le parece que
Oh, wow.
encontraste el lugar perfecto?
The traffic jam here. Seguro que sí, tienes que pagar
Sí.
por entrar. So this is a paid area, but yeah, they're using the Encanto branding too. Oh yeah. After that movie came out, the whole region is using that. This province is what inspired that movie or where it's set, so I think we're gonna go enjoy a nice Colombian coffee and we'll catch up with you guys later.